I am Koehne. I am here to talk to you today about our additional service options for your vehicle that needs to be serviced. This service is going to run Monday through Friday, and to set an appointment, you're going to call our service BDC. When you go to schedule an appointment, they will ask you your contact information, your car information, and your billing information. You also will discuss with them where they want you to leave your keys prior to our arrival on the scheduled date. On the scheduled date, we will pick up your vehicle between 8 a.m. and 10 a.m., bring it to be serviced, and drop it off around 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Additional information we'd like you to be aware of is we will sanitize your vehicle prior to the service and sanitize it after the service when we drop it off. We also, for your convenience and safety, we are only accepting credit or debit cards. And we will call you with pricing before we run your card. For any additional questions, please give us a call at 715-735-7483. Thank you, be safe, and have a great day.